If you want a powerful and impressive body, you need a wide back. A wide back makes your body look bigger, stronger, and more fit. It shows your muscles clearly and creates the powerful V-shaped look everyone wants. So how do you build a wider back? In this video, I'll show you 4 exercises that can help you build a wider and stronger back. Let's start with the first exercise. The first exercise is pull-ups. Pull-ups are one of the most effective upper body exercises. They train many muscles in your body at the same time and help build a wider back. The best part is that you can do pull-ups at home. If you have a pull-up bar, that's perfect. If not, you can use a strong horizontal bar, a strong rod, or any solid surface that can support your weight. Try to complete 60 reps per week. Now let's move to the second exercise. The second exercise is the dumbbell row. It works the back muscles and helps your upper body look broader and stronger. In this exercise, dumbbells are used. But if you're training at home and don't have dumbbells, you can use water bottles or other household items instead. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. The third exercise is the dumbbell lat pullover. This exercise targets the large back muscles called lats, which give your back its wide appearance. Keep the correct body position. Move slowly and with control. Don't rush the reps. Complete 3 sets of 10 reps. Now let's move to the final exercise. The last exercise is the bodyweight row. This movement is similar to pull-ups, but performed from a different angle. Here, you use your own body weight to train your back. You can do this easily at home. Position yourself under a strong bed, table, or bench. Hold the edge or a bar and pull your body upward while keeping your body straight. This exercise works many muscles in your back and helps build both strength and width. Rest and training tips. Keep your rest time short. No more than 1 minute between exercises. If you perform all these exercises in one workout, give your back at least 2 days of rest before training it again. This rest time helps your muscles recover and grow stronger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, like the video and share it with your friends.